Hi, this is Rachhya from Calilio, and today we are learning how to set up auto wallet recharge in Calilio when balance is low. First, head to Settings, then under the Billing section, click on Wallet. Here, you can toggle on the auto recharge options. This is the auto recharge option. Here you can set up minimum amount that prompts the automated recharge. And here you can set the amount that you want to be topped up. In case you want to be notified and prefer doing it manually, you can toggle on the notification button from here. You can also choose the minimum amount that prompts the notification. With auto wallet recharge enabled, your Calilio balance will never run out, ensuring smooth operations and uninterrupted communication for your team. If you found this video helpful, please follow us for more Calilio content. Thanks for watching.